ChatGPT has been making waves in the AI world for its natural language processing capabilities. But now, OpenAI has taken it a step further by introducing an advanced voice mode that promises to revolutionize how we interact with AI. I'm going to show you different amazing features of advanced voice mode that will blow your mind. Let's explore this voice mode. First, download the ChatGPT app in your mobile from Play Store or Apple Store. Next, let's sign up. I have already an account, so I'm going to log in. Follow the prompts to log in. And here we go. Now let's discover the voice mode. Here you'll see a headphone icon in the bottom left corner. Click on it and then it'll connect us with the ChatGPT voice mode. Now let's try its features. Hey ChatGPT, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Okay, so can you help me in learning Arabic language?
Sure, I'd be happy to help with Arabic. Are you looking for help with basic phrases, grammar, or something specific?
So tell me how to say good morning in Arabic.
To say good morning in Arabic, you say Sabah al Khair. Literally means morning of goodness.
Okay, that's great. So folks, with this voice mode you can learn any language at any time. This feature is so insane. Learning languages from AI is truly the start of new stage of life. Okay, now let's try other features. So ChatGPT, can you add some voice effects while telling me any story?
I can't add voice effects directly, but I can definitely help you craft a story with interesting elements. What kind of story are you interested in?
Okay, so this feature isn't available in free mode, but it is available in the advanced voice mode, which is available to only a specific group of Plus members. But it'll be available worldwide soon. Okay, actually voice effects feature of ChatGPT is not to only understand the context of your words but also detect the underlying emotions. The AI can adjust its tone and delivery based on whether you're expressing excitement, sadness, frustration, or any other emotion. This is really awesome. Now back to our ChatGPT. Okay, so ChatGPT, tell me a bedtime story with a low in your pitch. And make your voice heavy.
I can't change my voice or pitch, but I can definitely tell you another story. Here's a calming bedtime story. Once upon a time, in a...
Okay, so this one is also not available right now, but it'll soon. This feature allows the AI to change its voice dynamically during a conversation, adapting to different scenarios or user preferences on the fly. Whether you're switching from a professional discussion to a more casual chat, or you need a voice that can seamlessly transition between different languages and accents, real-time voice modulation ensures a smooth and natural experience. ChatGPT, do you remember all the chats we did recently?
I remember the topics we've discussed recently, but I don't keep the details of our conversations. If there's something specific you'd like to revisit or talk about, just let me know.
That's great, right? This feature enhances the AI's ability to remember the context of your conversation over extended interactions. The AI can maintain a consistent tone and reference past exchanges, making long conversations feel more coherent and natural. There's another feature, but it's not available right now, and that is custom voice creation. This feature allows you to create a personalized voice model by providing a sample of your voice.
I guess it would be something like, Ribbit, happy birthday to you, Ribbit. Quite the amphibious serenade.
This is a game changer for content creators, streamers, or anyone who wants a unique AI voice that stands out from the crowd. Plus, it's super easy to set up and use. And there you have it, all the exciting new features of ChatGPT's advanced voice mode. These are amazing. Literally, I can't wait to use this advanced mode. This voice mode is super amazing. Whether you're a content creator, a professional, or just someone who loves tech, these updates are sure to enhance your AI experience. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and explore the future of voice interaction with ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech tutorials and reviews. Let us know in the comments which feature you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.